Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Jungle. In this video, we are coming up with few questions topic wise. So from now, all the questions that are coming that will become topic wise, like sandbox development, triggers. So all these questions for especially for admin and PD1. So in detail. So for every topic we have a detailed questions. So even 25 questions, even 14 questions, 30 questions for every topic. So keep watching the videos. So like within 8 to 10 videos we'll complete all the topics with questions. Okay, so with questions, and at the end I will give you the answers as well, and few answers we'll discuss with the question as well. So try to focus and write it in the copy or make some pdf, so that when you're going for certification or going for interview you can recall these questions once again. So let's begin with sandbox. It includes 11 questions. So like this I have almost 270 questions that I made for you. So keep watching, watch till end, and do subscribe our channel for further questions. So I'm coming up with 270 questions of admin and almost 350 questions with development, and along with that 100 questions with questions and answers of development, and 200 questions for PD1. So almost 7 to 800 questions that we are coming up with. So try to focus and write it down, make your notes. So that's for the people who are going for development or PD1, and or going, and especially for interviews. So these are interview based questions, I can say. So let's start. So what is a sandbox? Basically, I think who are preparing, they might not know what is sandbox, because eventually when you are preparing for like this is something new for any non-techie, for fresher, or for the person who has just started his journey in the Salesforce. So sandbox is type of org only. Org means like a Salesforce org. Sandbox is same as a Salesforce, but it is used for development. We can't do development in the production. Production means the org which we want to do live on the behalf of the company. All right. So sandbox is that org on which developers are doing development. So this is the sandbox. So from that sandbox, we are deploying things to the productions. So I think you got the point. What is the sandbox? It's type of uh, Salesforce website only where developers are doing development or coding or customization, and that customizations that we are deploying to the production. I think now you got the point. What are the different type of sandboxes? So there are four types of sandbox. So I worked on almost two type of sandbox. So eventually every developers commonly worked on two developers. One is Pro, Sandbox Pro, and unlimited, like full sandbox. I haven't worked on that. It is basically a marketing. In marketing, we are using that. With which sandbox you have worked? I already told you. The third question is done. So with which sandbox you have used, you have to tell me. So I want to, okay. So what is the developer sandbox? Developer sandbox, I already explained you developer sandbox. Developer sandbox, basically it is for small sandbox. It only stores few data. It is for your practice, basically, I can say, or testing. Like when we want to test something, so we used to use this developer sandbox. So it's a very small sandbox. What is developer pro sandbox? It is used for the huge data, and for the, like, for training purpose also it is used. What is a partial copy? So it is basically, partial copy means some, like some part of production, like sandbox has, that we can directly deploy to the production. So it has some advantages over developer pro. Okay, so that we will discuss answer at the end of the video. Okay, what is the full copy sandbox? Full copy sandbox means full sandbox. That is basically used by the marketing or marketing cloud, because over there, uh, in this, when we are creating record id is same. So in full sandbox, in which sandbox will be the same copy of production. So it is like partial, so it is like full copy means same copy. So it is basically the seventh question is your eighth questions answer. In which sandbox we will have a same record id production in full sandbox. for which edition we will have a sandboxes. So that you need to find. Okay, so I don't want to give each and every answer. So tell us some issues that you are faced in sandbox. So when you have to mail me the answers of all these questions, if you are doing uh, the practice. So 11 questions we have done of the sandbox. So this is what the sandbox is all about. Sandbox, you need to know about what is a sandbox, how many type of sandbox we are using, and what are the functionality of different type of sandbox, and in which sandbox the IDs are same. So these are the 11 questions that we need to cover. And I want to thank the Ravi Kant, Rahul Sharma, and the Sahil Gupta, who are very much sending me the task that I have assigned to you in the previous question answers video. So try to do these questions also and send me the file. So as I told, so the first sandbox, I'll give you some overview on the questions. So I already figured out some answers with that. And admin, so this is what is sandbox. It's a copy of organization in a separate environment that can be used for the variety of purposes such as testing, training, without compromising the data and application of your Salesforce.com production organization. However, the sandbox is not a one size fit. So I told you, so some sandbox have huge data storage and some are small. So it depends upon the different sandbox. In which fact there are 4 different type of sandbox type. Each of them each of them have a different level of functionality and features. So developer sandbox. So developer sandbox is the smallest sandbox used. This sandbox for the development and testing in the isolation environment. So basically, it is used for the testers, developer sandbox. Developer Pro sandbox has some advantage. We can use the large set of data in that. So metadata we can use this one, and quality insurance for testing purpose. Basically, we are using partial copy. I worked on the sandbox. Partial copy sandbox is the testing environment. Developer sandbox will carry over some record for a future production, but not all. So basically, I want to tell you, so these two, third and fourth, don't have large difference. Just in this sandbox also we are testing, but this is mainly used for the integration testing and the quality insurance for the best users. And full sandbox has one advantage. We can store the metadata such as object record and attachment. Full sandbox support performance testing and load testing and staging, so we can do whatever we want in this full sandbox. So this is what we are recommending from the employer, that to give us a full sandbox so that we can do the whole scale of testing. And this is what I have did for this video. So if you have any question, just text me back. So anything, any doubt, you can text me. So basically, I'm coming up with many form of questions and many topics. So try to focus and send me the file if you are doing any task, or if you have any further question, any cross questions you have. So thank you for watching my video. So do watch the video, and in next video we are discussing about deployment questions. Thanks a lot. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.